Okay guys, now we masked this in the last YouTube shorts by the way, I'll link it in the description if you want to check it out. So we need to make the pink lines wider. The reason why, when I was telling you about how this stage would work, so we are going to spray this stage here. So the lines here as what I masked here. And we're going to do the same thing today, but we're going to make them a lot wider so that we can spray the lines for the white, because they're going to be slightly thinner than the pink line, and there's going to be an even thinner line on top of the white, and that's going to be light blue in the center of the white here. Let me do that again. In the center of the white here. Without further ado, people, let's get to work on this page. Okay then guys, now that the pink lines are more wider, that will create more space to make the white lines, because they're way more skinnier than the pink layer. So let's get to work here. Okay then guys, so now we need to mask. I just stood on something, hang on. That was sore. Now we need to mask the white lines. So this one right here, for this bit right here. Let's get that to work. Okay, so now that the Audi R8 is, we've still got to do the other half of the stripes, but I'll need to fix them. We'll do that in the next video.